If you're looking for a rich flavorful chicken curry sauce that tastes like something from the restaurant, but you made it right from your kitchen, then keep watching this video. Let me show you how I made this. First, I started by prepping all my ingredients because cooking becomes easier when everything is ready. I chopped my red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and yellow bell pepper. I also sliced my onion and I chopped my carrot into smaller pieces so they can cook quickly but still keep their crunch. Everything is colorful already and I love how everything came out. Please guys, if you're watching my video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be bringing you food recipes here that are easy for you to make in your kitchen. So after I finished cutting my green bell pepper, I packed everything together. Why I love green bell pepper is that whenever you use it to cook, like that food will come out so beautifully and the color will be popping. I added my chicken in a pot, then I went in with some sliced onion. I added garlic and ginger powder for the deep warm flavor. Then I seasoned it with some seasoning cube, a little salt, and of course curry powder because this is curry sauce after all. I added some pepper for a little heat, stirred everything together, cover it and allow it to steam. If you're tired of eating stew all the time, I would like you to make this chicken curry sauce and I promise you are going to love the outcome because at times making stew every Sunday can be tiring. While the chicken was cooking, I went quickly to make my slurry. I mixed 2 tablespoons of corn flour with water and stir everything until it's smooth. This will help us thicken our sauce later and give it that glossy finish. After a while, I checked on my chicken, give it a quick stir and added a little water to cook it properly and become soft and juicy. Then I covered it and allowed it to finish cooking. In a pan, I added a little sesame oil and vegetable oil. Then I added my chopped onion and allowed it to saute for a bit. Next thing I added was my carrot and allowed it to steam slightly. And I sprinkled little curry powder and seasoning cube for flavor. Then I stirred everything together. After that, I added my green bell pepper, every of the pepper that I chopped earlier. This is the right time to add them. I added everything. I didn't overcook this vegetable because I still want them to be slightly crunchy and fresh. This is what I want. You don't need to overcook it. Then I set it aside. And now for the main sauce, in a big pot, I poured back the chicken we cooked earlier, added 2 cups of water, and then I added soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and some chili sauce for that rich flavor. So after I added all these things, while we are adding all these things for it to have that sweet taste like the restaurant chicken curry sauce you used to buy. So after I added everything, I stirred and I covered it to cook properly. When it has steamed nicely, I added back my vegetable and I stirred everything together. Please guys, if you've watched up until this point, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notification bell so you always get notified whenever I post new videos here. So at this point, I went in with my slurry and I covered it and allowed it to cook. So after it has cooked for some time, our sauce has thickened perfectly. Look at how beautiful our sauce came out. Finally, I put in some boiled egg. If you don't like boiled egg, you can skip this part. So I put in the boiled egg, covered it, and allowed it to steam for some time. So after I opened it, this is how our chicken curry sauce is looking. And that is how I made this delicious chicken curry sauce at home. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your post notification bell, and give this video a huge thumbs up. So in the comment section, tell me what you'll be pairing this sauce with. Is it spaghetti or rice? Thank you guys for watching and bye bye.